Welcome back to the Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for luxury, innovation, and performance in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary, something that blurs the line between rugged American strength and luxurious living. We're talking about the brand new 2026 Chevrolet T-2000 Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement on wheels, a mobile fortress of comfort and cutting-edge technology, built for those who refuse to leave luxury behind even on the road. Asterisk, the Chevrolet T-2000 is not just an evolution. It's a revolution in motorhome design. Built on a high-performance chassis engineered for both endurance and comfort, the T-2000 isn't your average recreational vehicle. It's an all-new platform combining the durability of Chevrolet's legendary trucks with the luxurious fit and finish of a high-end home. Chevrolet has taken everything we thought we knew about mobile living and flipped it on its head. Asterisk. At first glance, the exterior of the T-2000 commands attention. The bold front fascia is unmistakably Chevy, sporting a refreshed grille with chrome accents and laser-sharp LED headlights that give it a confident, almost intimidating presence. The aerodynamic lines are not just about aesthetics. They're designed to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. It sits on 22-inch all-terrain wheels that aren't just for show. This motorhome is built to handle both the interstate and the backroads with equal ease. Asterisk. But what really makes the T-2000 stand out is its body construction. Chevrolet has introduced an advanced lightweight aluminum frame with reinforced steel zones for added safety and stability. The result? A motorhome that feels rock solid, whether you're cruising at 70 miles per hour on the freeway or parked on a mountainside under the stars. Add to that a full panoramic sunroof stretching nearly 10 feet across the ceiling and large, tinted side windows that offer breathtaking views, and you're looking at the perfect road trip machine. Asterisk. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, the powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet T-2000 comes with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine that delivers a monstrous 470 horsepower and 910 pounds-ft of torque. That's more than enough muscle to haul its own weight, plus your trailer, your toys, and everything in between. And if you're looking for something greener, Chevy also offers a plug-in hybrid version that combines a V6 engine with dual electric motors, giving you power when you need it and efficiency when you want it. With a towing capacity of up to 18,000 pounds and a range of over 700 miles on a full tank, the T-2000 is ready for whatever adventure you've got planned. Asterisk. Step inside, and you're instantly transported to another world. This isn't a camper. It's a luxury suite on wheels. The living area is spacious and thoughtfully designed, featuring Italian leather seating, oak wood paneling, and a high-gloss marble floor that radiates elegance. LED ambient lighting runs throughout the interior, fully customizable to match your mood, from soft golden tones for relaxing evenings to cool blues for a futuristic vibe. Everything is remote-controlled, right from your smartphone or the built-in central tablet. Asterisk. The main lounge comes equipped with a 65-inch 8K OLED Smart TV, complete with a surround sound system engineered by Bose. You've also got satellite connectivity, high-speed 5G internet, and voice-activated smart controls integrated via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Whether you're working remotely or just binge-watching your favorite series, you'll never feel disconnected. Asterisk. Adjacent to the lounge is the kitchen, which rivals most modern apartments. It features a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a dishwasher, all powered by an advanced solar energy system backed up by lithium-ion batteries. The countertops are made from scratch-resistant quartz, and the storage is clever. with pull-out drawers and overhead compartments that maximize space without clutter. Asterisk now to the bedroom, an absolute sanctuary. You get a king-sized memory foam bed with built-in massage functions, blackout blinds, and climate control. There's a skylight directly above, perfect for stargazing before you sleep. Opposite the bed is another flat-screen TV, plus integrated knit stands with wireless charging. Pads and USB-C ports. The bathroom is nothing short of spectacular. You've got a rainfall shower with multi-directional jets, a backlit anti-fog mirror, and even heated floors for those chilly mountain mornings. The toilet is a high-tech smart unit with bidet functions, auto flush, and a self-cleaning system. There's also a washer-dryer combo discreetly tucked into a cabinet, giving you long-term independence no matter where you are. Asterisk the T-2000 also includes a modular rear lounge, which can be converted into a second bedroom, a home office, or even a small gym. This area has sliding glass doors that open up to a patio deck with retractable awnings and outdoor speakers. It's the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee or an evening glass of wine while watching the sunset. Asterisk. Now let's talk safety, because Chevy hasn't compromised here either. The T-2000 is equipped with a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane keeping assist, and even auto emergency braking with pedestrian detection. There are 12 airbags strategically placed throughout the cabin and a reinforced steel safety cage that ensures maximum protection in any scenario. Asterisk for those who crave control, the cockpit of the T-2000 is a dream come true. It's designed for comfort and confidence. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and the heads-up display projects your most important information right onto the windshield. The captain's chairs are heated, cooled, and feature memory positioning. The steering wheel is wrapped in fine leather with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and adaptive driving settings. Asterisk fuel economy? Surprisingly good. Thanks to its hybrid option and aerodynamic improvements, the T-2000 averages about 22 miles per gallon in hybrid mode, outstanding for a motorhome of this size and power. Asterisk, and let's not forget about storage. You get an incredible 180 cubic feet of external storage compartments, complete with LED lighting and waterproof seals. Whether it's golf clubs, camping gear, bikes, or even a kayak, there's room for it all. Asterisk, one of the most underrated features? The climate system. With triple-zone smart climate control, the vehicle ensures that every part of the cabin remains at your preferred temperature. No more arguments about it being too hot or too cold. And with integrated HEPA filters and UV air purification, you're breathing the cleanest air possible, even in the wild. Asterisk, of course, all this innovation comes at a price. The base model of the 2026 Chevrolet T-2000 starts around $190,000, while the fully loaded luxury edition with all optional packages can go north of $260,000. But considering what you're getting, an apartment, an SUV, and a high-tech office all in one, the value speaks for itself. Asterisk Chevrolet is also offering a unique customization program where buyers can design their own interior layout, choose materials, and even integrate unique tech like solar, awnings, satellite drones, or even an onboard espresso bar. The level of personalization is on par with European luxury brands, and that's saying something. Asterisk. In a market where consumers are demanding both freedom and comfort, the 2026 Chevrolet T-2000 delivers on every front. It's bold, luxurious, innovative, and powerful. It gives you the tools to roam wherever you please without sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you're a retiree planning the road trip of a lifetime, a digital nomad working from National, parks, or a family looking to explore without limits, the T-2000 is built for you. So there you have it, folks. The 2026 Chevrolet T-2000 Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a vision of how we'll travel, live, and connect in the future. A masterclass in engineering, comfort, and style, ready to redefine everything we know about RV living. Thanks for watching the Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury vehicle reviews, and let us know in the comments, where would you take the Chevrolet T-2000 first? Until next time, drive safe, travel far, and never settle for average.